Days ahead of the scheduled return home of Police Superintendent Clayton Fernander, the men accused of ambushing him at his home before opening fire appeared in court today for arraignment.
A 22-year-old and a 23-year-old are accused of leaving the veteran officer with severe injuries. And apart from 3 attempted murder charges and a separate murder charge, the duo is also facing 53 armed robbery charges. Fernander was in court for the proceedings.
Chained at the ankles and wrists and under heavy police guard, 23-year-old Maurice Ambrister in the green shirt and 21-year-old Balls Alley resident XL Josie in the gray sweatshirt arrived at the Nassau Street Magistrates Court. The duo is facing attempted murder and attempted armed robbery charges for allegedly trying to rob and kill Superintendent Clayton Fernander last Wednesday. Fernander had just arrived in the driveway of his St. Vincent Road home when he was shot multiple times about the body by 2 masked men in an apparent robbery attempt. He was airlifted to the U.S. last week for further medical care. During a press conference at police headquarters this morning, Police Commissioner Ellison Greenslade noted that Superintendent Fernander is recovering in a Florida hospital and getting stronger every day. However, he said the senior officer is expected to return home this weekend.
I've spoken to him several times and I've received personal statements from him as to how he feels. He is strong. Each day he is getting stronger. He is conscious of the fact that he has a long way to go. No amputations have taken place. We are hoping and praying that none will take place. Doctors here in New Providence did an extremely good job in sewing together those fingers and that palm and trying to keep it together with bandages. He has followed the instructions of his doctors dutifully, and as an extension in Florida, the doctors have been working in concert with his doctors here to ensure that he follows meticulously the instructions that are given. On Thursday, we will be hearing from him directly subsequent to his visit to doctors again at Jackson in Florida, and a decision then will be taken as to the next steps.
Meantime, during today's court proceedings, Ambrister and Josie were formally charged with attempted armed robbery and attempted murder. Ambrister was also charged separately with possession of an unlicensed .45 pistol and possession of 29.45 bullets, charges he denied. Following the arraignment, both defendants complained to their attorney, Roberta Reckley, that they were beaten by police, threatened with death by officers, and denied access to an attorney while in custody. Their complaints were noted by Chief Magistrate Roger Gomez, who ordered that they see a doctor. Meantime, the prosecution will proceed by a voluntary appeal of indictment, which means the case will be sent directly to Supreme Court. Now, bail was denied and the 2 defendants were remanded to prison. The case has been adjourned. Fernander, ZNS Network News.